How you guys doing today? This is Jack. Don't be calling me Jack the Reaper. Don't be calling me Jackass. Don't be calling me all kind of freaking Jack. You know what I'm saying? I don't like that bullshit. I'm talking to you. You. Welcome back to Jack TV. Alright? The best comedy, you know what I'm saying? Online, the best comedy all over the world. I am the best comedy. They freaking call me crazy, motherfucker. Let me tell me that, you know what I'm saying? Let me tell you something, you know what I'm saying, about myself. You know what I'm saying? There was a time, you know what I'm saying, when I was going through a lot. You know what I'm saying? I almost got my like a bush, you know what I'm saying? I say, yeah, bush. I don't want to talk politics or shit, because the fact, you know what I'm saying, I'm freaking comedy, you know what I'm saying, I talk a lot, you know what I'm saying, I say a lot of things. I might say things, you know what I'm saying, some people might like, everybody like me, man, what the fuck, man, I'm just a Haitian guy, you know what I'm saying, fucking talk all kind of shit, you know what I'm saying, what's up with that, alright? So, I say a lot of crap. So what? I say a lot of shit, you know what I'm saying? The freaking cops come over my house, they say, Jack, you talk too much, all kind of people told me, whatever, so and so, you know what I'm saying? I see this thing, you know what I'm saying? This I'm talking about things I see in my dream. So give me a freaking break, man, alright? So talk to me. I can talk about whatever I see in my dream. What the fuck is that? There was a time, you know what I'm saying, they almost fucking, they had a freaking war, you know what I'm saying, Bush, you know what I'm saying? I say Bush, you know what I'm saying, you need to stop that war, because my last name is Laguerre. I say I don't do freaking war, I do peace, alright? So you need to stop that war now. Because a lot of time, you know what I'm saying, people, you know what I'm saying, we don't want to see no more blood in freaking Iraq, you know what I'm saying, all that type of thing. I see too much, you know what I'm saying, that fucking thing, I can't sleep, because you know what I'm saying, you call my ass, you call me, oh, Jack, you know what I'm saying, you need to be freaking know, you know what I'm saying, because I'm fucked up, you know what I'm saying, I go to the war, you know what I'm saying, I don't know what the fuck to do right now, you know what I'm saying, shit is too much for me. I say, alright, take it easy now. I'm gonna come with my freaking airplane. Because I got an airspace. If you check me on my space, you know what I'm saying, you see my airplane, my airspace. We got a fucking airspace. You think Haitian don't have no fucking airspace? You fucked up, motherfucker. We got an airspace. Our fucking shit is invisible. You can't fucking see shit. We fucking don't play. You see my military hat? You don't know Jack. That's what I'm saying. Stay tuned in Jack TV. If you want to know more about me, you know what I'm saying, you need to buy my freaking album, my CD, all kind of shit. You know what I'm saying, so you can, you know what I'm saying, I can make some freaking money, all kind of shit. You gotta make me fucking talk too much, yeah. Fuck God.